Okay, so let's go ahead and prove the triple angle identity for tangent today. Okay, so the claim is that if you have the tangent of 3 alpha, okay, that's going to be equal to 3 tangent alpha, okay, minus tangent cubed alpha, okay, divided by 1 minus 3 tangent squared alpha. Okay. Okay. So let's go ahead and proceed to prove this. Okay. Starting with, of course, tangent cubed alpha. Okay. Now, we can think about tangent cubed alpha as tangent of alpha plus 2 alpha, right? So let's maybe start by taking a look at that. Okay. And now we want to think about what the tangent of a sum is. Okay. Well, the tangent of a sum is, and we've proven this, of course, in a past video. We'll go ahead and get it up here. Tangent of alpha plus beta is equal to tangent alpha plus tangent beta over 1 minus tan alpha times tan beta. Okay. Let's get this in the box. Again, if you're interested in seeing the proof for the tangent of a sum, we do have a video available for that. So please check that out if you're interested. Okay, good. So using this formula here, we're going to get tangent alpha plus tangent of 2 alpha, okay, over 1 minus tangent alpha tangent of 2 alpha. Okay. Very good. Now, we know what the tangent of a sum is. We just used it, okay? I could use it again right here if I so choose. So let's do that. Okay, it's going to give us here tangent of alpha plus, and I'll go ahead and set it up first, tangent of alpha plus alpha, okay? And then here we're going to have 1 minus tangent alpha, and then tangent of alpha plus alpha, okay? Very good. So now, as we said, we're going to use this formula again. So this is going to give us tangent alpha plus, okay, now we've got to use this. So it's going to be tangent alpha plus tangent alpha over, just this part here, 1 minus tangent alpha tangent alpha. Okay, all of that divided by 1 minus tangent alpha. Okay, and then, again, using this formula, we're going to use parentheses because everything's being multiplied by tangent alpha. It's going to be tangent alpha plus tangent alpha over 1 minus tangent alpha tangent alpha, the product of those two there. Okay. All right, let's take a close look at that. Make sure we haven't committed any careless mistakes. Don't think we have, but let's be very careful. Looks good. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and multiply the top and the bottom of this fraction here, this big fraction, by 1 minus tangent alpha tangent alpha. Okay, which is just 1 minus tangent squared alpha. Okay, maybe before we do that, we'll simplify things. Okay, so let's simplify things first. We're going to have tangent alpha plus, and then tan alpha plus tan alpha is 2 tangent alpha. Okay, and then under here we're going to have 1 minus tangent squared alpha, since tan alpha times tan alpha is tangent squared alpha. Okay, and then right here we're going to have 1 minus, and then it's going to be tangent alpha, and then in parentheses, I'll still keep this in parentheses, we're going to have 2 tangent alpha. Okay, and then the same here, 1 minus tangent squared alpha. Okay, so as promised, we're going to multiply the top by 1 minus tangent squared alpha. Okay, we're going to multiply the top by that. And we're going to multiply the bottom by the same thing, 1 minus tangent squared alpha. Okay, in so doing, we're going to see that these 1 minus tangent squared alpha values are going to cancel out. And we have to, of course, multiply tangent alpha by 1 minus tangent squared alpha, and we're going to have to multiply 1 by 1 minus tangent squared alpha. Okay, so here we go. We're going to have tangent alpha times 1 minus tangent squared alpha is going to be equal to tangent alpha minus tangent cubed alpha. Okay. All right, good. Plus, of course, let's not forget, plus 2 tangent alpha. Okay, so there we go. There's your numerator. And then for the denominator, we got 1 times 1 minus tangent squared alpha. Well, that's, of course, just 1 minus tangent squared alpha. Okay. And then, of course, it's minus, now this has been canceled out, so it's going to be minus 2 tangent squared alpha. Okay. Let's check that. Make sure we haven't committed any careless mistakes along the way. I don't think we have, but let's be absolutely sure of ourselves. Yes, that is correct. Okay. So we can clearly see here that up on top we have tangent alpha plus 2 tangent alpha, which is going to give us 3 tangent alpha minus tangent cubed alpha. Okay, and then on the bottom, we're going to have 1 minus 3 tangent squared alpha. And so we have just proven this statement here. That was not so bad. Okay, let's maybe zoom out, get a nice synoptic view. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful. It's important that we understand not only how math works, but why it works. This channel is dedicated to proving statements. It's what we want to do. Proofs and derivations and fun puzzles. Let us know if you have any questions, comments, and concerns. We always appreciate recommendations for future content. Please have a great rest of your day, and we will see you in the next video.